Then
line.
exactly 3 lines of symmetry. No lines of symmetry. Are you getting? Then what
Yes.
you have to do is sketch a rough figure in each case. હરેક question માં એક એક figure draw કરવાનો છે. Okay? So first question. Exactly one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry કેવી રીતે draw થશે? Triangle
What?
માં. In which triangle do we have one line of symmetry? In isosceles triangle. કયા triangle માં?
Isosceles triangle.
What do you mean by isosceles triangle? A triangle which has two common sides and one
Common side,
uncommon.
not common.
Two
Yes.
equal sides and one unequal side is known as isosceles triangle. When આમ કટ કરો કોઈ દિવસ કટ થશે નહીં થાય. અને આવી રીતે કટ કરો તો કોઈ દિવસ હાફ કટ થશે નહીં થાય. અને આવી રીતે કરો કોઈ દિવસ થશે નહીં થાય. It has to be from the center and it has to be cut like this way only. હા, ટ્રાયંગલ આવી રીતનું આપેલું હોય, ટ્રાયંગલ આવી રીતે આપેલું હોય, આવી રીતે, sorry, like this. Isosceles triangle is like this, for example. તો આ બે લાઈન કોમન થઈ તો then we can cut it from here. This is different part. Understood? Boys? Understood or not? Boys, I'm asking you.
Yeah, understood.
Okay. So, first step, yes, isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. We have drawn the figure here and we have shown the line L is a symmetrical line. Second, two lines of symmetry. Second question is what? Second question is exactly two lines of symmetry. Now, triangle has how many sides? Triangle has 3 sides. Yes or no? 1, 2, and 3 sides. Are you getting? Triangle has 3 sides or not, boys? So if we have 3 sides, we cannot have 2 line of symmetry. No, such triangle cannot be formed. Third one. Exactly 3 lines of symmetry. Yes, exactly 3 lines of symmetry kema hoy? Yes, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all 3 sides are equal. All 3 sides of a triangle are equal. Line L is one line of symmetry. Line 2 is L2 is second line of symmetry. And this one is third line of symmetry. Last, no lines of symmetry. Yes, we have a scalene triangle, no line of symmetry. Scalene triangle means all 3 sides are unequal. All 3 sides are unequal. In this case, we do not have any line of symmetry. Got it, boys? Muhammad Fazil?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 5. Chalo. Now triangle part is over. Now question number 5. Muhammad Fazil, please read this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, jaldi read karo.
On a square paper, sheet the following.
Sketch the following. એટલે draw કરવાનું છે. પેલું. First question is, I'm sorry, a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. A triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. એક જ line છે, right? Vertical line means what? Vertical is standing line. તો એક line
Yes.
કેમાં આવે? Isosceles triangle માં? Yes or no? Now, they
Yes.
required a triangle with a horizontal line, એટલે sleeping line જોવે છે. Horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So horizontal line કેવી રીતે મળે? this isosceles triangle is like this, sleeping triangle, you know, like this. So now can we draw a horizontal line cutting from the center? Understood, boys?
Yes.
Second, a quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. A quadrilateral with both horizontal
And
and
vertical
vertical
line.
line of symmetry. Quadrilateral means what? A diagram having four sides. Diagram having four sides. ચાર લાઈન વાળો ડાયાગ્રામ હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Quadrilateral. It can be
Quadrilateral.
anything: square, rectangle, rhombus, any typical four line shape. No problem in that. समझ पड़ी?
Yes.
So rectangle, a shape rectangle has two lines of symmetry, horizontal and vertical. Got it? આપણે આટલું જ દેખાડવાનું છે, બીજું કાંઈ નથી દેખાડો. Then third, a quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. એવી ચાર લાઈન કઈ છે ડાયાગ્રામની જેમાં horizontal line આવે છે but vertical line of symmetry આવતી નથી. So this is the diagram with a horizontal line but no vertical line of symmetry. Third diagram. Horizontal chest. So sorry, you have to go like this. This diagram is wrong. Is this four lines diagram? So we have to draw a horizontal line of symmetry like this. Okay? Vertical line of symmetry na કહી દી છે. જો third question C. A quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. એટલે ચાર લાઈન નો ડાયાગ્રામ છે જે horizontal line of symmetry draw કરવાની છે. Horizontal એટલે sleeping line. Vertical line of symmetry draw નથી કરવાની. So આમાં vertical line નહીં થાય, જોજો તમે. Are you getting? So this is our correct diagram. ચલો fourth. Fourth માં શું છે? A hexagon with with two lines of symmetry. Hexagon means what? Quadrilateral and four sides, right? The hexagon has how many sides?
Five. Five sides.
Five sides to pentagon આવે.
Three.
Sorry?
Six sides.
Six sides, very good. So we have to prepare a regular hexagon. Sorry, not regular hexagon. A hexagon with two lines of symmetry. So આપણે six sides એવી રીતે બનાવવાની છે કે જેમાં આપણે regular hexagon, sorry, two lines of symmetry hexagon ની મળે. Are you getting? So see, there this kind of a shape will be conducted. One line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is octagon. We prepared octagon. This is also wrong. Hexagon should be somewhat different thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 lines of symmetry. So we can cut it two different parts. બાકી એકે જગ્યાથી થાય નહીં કેમ કે એક સરખું નહીં ઉતરે because these two parts are longer as compared to the other two parts. સમજ પડે છે? આ પાર્ટ કરતા આ બે પાર્ટ
Yes.
વધારે મોટા છે. So in that we got these two lines of symmetry in this diagram. Understood? આમાં 8 lines આપેલી છે but આપણે octagon નથી કરવાનું. આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? Hexagon. Hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. Got it? समझ पड़ी गई दिकरा?
Yes.
Okay. Now the last, a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. હવે hexagon ને કેટલી લાઈન ઓફ સિમેટ્રી જોવે છે? 6. તો રેગ્યુલર હેક્સાગોન કરવું પડશે. રેગ્યુલર હેક્સાગોન is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All 6 sides are equal. So we can cut it from the middle. This is line 1. Can we cut it from this corner to corner? Line 2. Can we cut this corner to corner? Line 3. Can we cut this corner to corner? Line 4. Can we cut from center diagonally? Line 5, line 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry we got? કેટલી જોવે છે? A hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. We got this. Got it, boys? Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
Good. Chalo, question number 6. Read karo, Mohammad Fazil.
Take each figure and draw the line of symmetry if any.
We have to trace the figure. Figure કઈ type નો છે ને? We have to draw the line of symmetry. તો ચલો અહીંયા આવી જાઓ બધા answer column માં. I will show you. This is kind of a triangle is this. Can you check? આ લાઈન અહીંયાથી બહાર જાય છે, આ લાઈન
Yes.
અહીંયાથી બહાર આવે છે અને આ લાઈન અહીંયા સુધી બહાર જાય છે. Can we say that do we have a line of symmetry in this?
No.
If you cut from here, this pattern is not here. If you cut from here to here, this pattern is not equal. Got it?
Yes.
So there is no line of symmetry
No
in this
line.
first figure. Second figure is like this. See, one triangle and another triangle. So can I cut it from here? So one triangle will be overlapping to the other one. And can I cut it the straight line? The half triangle will be overlapping to the other half. Now diagonally is not possible. Diagonally possible, che? Nothing.
No.
There are two lines of symmetry. समझाई गયું કે નહીં?
Yes, સમજાય.
Now third diagram is square છે. Square ની અંદર square ની અંદર square ની અંદર square છે. So all the four squares are there. I'm sorry. Excuse me. We have four lines of symmetry in this. Square has how many lines of symmetry? One line, two lines, three lines, sorry. Third line and fourth line of symmetry. Got it? Four line of symmetry in square. Then we have to recognize the pattern. Next, sorry. Then next question. Sum number D. This shape is given 1. This line segment close figure 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon is given. Now, if I cut it from between, this shape is overlapping to the other shape. If I cut it from the straight line, the half is overlapping to the other half, right? So I can say two lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry do we have? Two lines of symmetry. Then this figure, one line of symmetry. Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. Pentagon with one line of symmetry. Only this side we can cut it. No other side we can cut it. Right? The last figure, stars. We can cut it straight line also. We can cut it horizontal line also. We can cut it diagonally also. So how many lines of symmetry is there? 4 lines of symmetry. How many lines? 4 lines. Got it, boys? I'm asking to you, boys.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Question number 7, read karo Mohammad Fazil.
Coincide the letter of English alphabet.
Now English alphabet has how many letters? English alphabet has how many letters? English alphabet has how many letters, beta? 26 letters. How many alphabets are there?
Letters.
26 letters. Okay, now read it.
A to Z. List Amazon. Um,
Among them, list among them
to
the
letter.
letters which have means what? A vertical line of symmetry. હવે alphabet A છે તો એ વચ્ચેથી કટ કરો vertical line થી તો એક હાફ બીજા હાફ ને ઓવરલેપ થાય? Yes,
Yes.
થાય. Got it? See, I will show you what they wanted from you. They want some alphabets are like this. Some alphabets હવે dualistic ઓલું નહીં કરું. Some alphabets are like this, which will be vertically possible, and it will be overlapping to each other, but horizontally it will be not possible. સમજ પડે છે? Some alphabets will be like this, that vertical will be not possible, આ ઊભું નહીં થાય, but horizontally it will be possible.
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે? અને some alphabets will be like this, like
Both.
this,
Oh.
which we have both horizontal also and vertical also.
Yes.
Some alphabets will be like this, that they do not have any.
L.
Letter L, letter F, letter P. They do not have any line of symmetry. समझ पड़ी?
Yes. Sorry, your voice is breaking.
Examples. So we have to bifurcate according to the question. Questions are of what? We have to divide the letters according to the question is asked. Okay? What are the question asked? Vertical line of symmetry, like A, then horizontal line of symmetry, like B. Divide the alphabets accordingly. Now let us check. Answer column જોઈએ બધા. Vertical line of symmetry માં કયા કયા આવે? So letter A is possible, letter H, letter I, જેને ઊભી લાઈન થી કટ કરો. Vertical line means standing line. Yes or no? This will be divided into two parts. Letter M, letter O, letter T, letter U, letter V, letter W, letter X, letter Y. Understood? Then horizontal line of symmetry means જેને સ્લીપિંગ લાઈન થી કટ કરતું હોય અને ઇક્વલ પાર્ટમાં ડિવાઈડ કરતું હોય. So letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E, H, I, K, O, X. આમાં એવો ક્વેશ્ચન નથી આપ્યો કે બંનેથી થતું હોય તો કેવી રીતે કયા કયા લેટર કહેવાય? તો બંનેથી થતા લેટર કયા આવે? લેટર H, લેટર I, then letter X, letter O, letter X,
Z. X.
then no line of symmetry means જેમાં line of symmetry નો આવે ઈ letter F, G, J, I. I is wrong. I is wrong. I માં તો આવે, બંને આવે, horizontal અને vertical. So J, F, G, J, N, P, Q, R, S, Z are the letters who do not have any line of symmetry. Understood, boys?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 8, please. Muhammad Fazil.
Yes. Given her a figure of a few folded sheet of and
Design
draw about the fold. About the fold. In each case,
In each case, draw a rough diagram of the complete figure that would be seen when the design is cut off. What we have to do, the design is given here, which is folded design. તો આને આપણે ઓપન કરીએ તો ડિઝાઇન આખી આવી જશે. This is your homework to draw. Okay? See, this is folded page. If you will open this, the design will be rectangle and the internal design will be half M this side. The mirror half M will be this side. Understood? And the line of symmetry, the standing line is as it is. Got it?
yes,
Boys, the other cutting half will be as it is. The half portion is like this, standing rectangle. then design will be over here like this. The other half is you have to draw the same features. That means our figure is over. Nothing new in this. આપણે કરેલું જ છે. Got it? Chalo. With this question, we finish our exercise 13.2. Now we are in 13.3. Very easy. Only 3 questions are there. Then we will complete our portion. Our chapter and our portion. This is also very easy. No need to go through all the things again and again. Sorry?
Sir, this lesson is so easy.
Very easy, I know. Chalo.
Find the number of line.
Wait a moment, beta.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, read karjo beta.
Yes, yes. But
Find the number of line of symmetry. Read karo.
find the number of line of symmetry in each of the following shape. How we all check your answer?
How will you check your answer? You have to find the lines of symmetry if it is possible, okay?
Yes.
So can I say I can cut it from here?
Yes.
I can cut it from here also.
Yes.
I can
Horizontal
cut it
and
from
vertical.
here. I can cut it from here. So how many lines
Sir, your voice is breaking.
was there in the first figure?
2.
4. Let
Yes,
us come to the
4.
answer column. You will be. Well, I'll check you with the answer sheet only. How many lines of symmetry in the first figure? 4 lines
4
of
line.
symmetry. How? The first line,
Vertical.
which is cutting straight line. Second, which is cutting the diagonally. Third, which is cutting horizontally. And fourth, again, which is cutting diagonally. Got it? Then second figure is Christmas tree. 1 line of symmetry. We have to show the line of symmetry and give the numbers, okay? Then this figure. Can I cut this diagonally? Straight line is not possible. See, straight line is not possible. અહીંયા દેખાય છે? અહીંયા આ figure નથી. અહીંયા આ figure નથી. Are you getting? So, straight line and horizontal line is not possible. Diagonally, half part is overlapping to half is possible. 1. And the other diagonally is possible, number 2. Got it?
Yes.
Then this shape, 1 line is possible horizontally and the other line is possible vertically.
Yes.
So 2 lines of symmetry here. 2 lines of symmetry here. In this butterfly, can I say only 1 line of symmetry is possible? અમુક ફિગર એવા જ હોય જેમાં એક જ લાઈન પોસિબલ હોય. This arrow, horizontal and vertical, both are possible. So 2 lines of
Yes.
symmetry in this. Got it, boys?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Any doubt with this?
No.
Chalo,
No.
question number 2. Very easy. This can be done by your own. Question 2 and 3. Both you can do by your own. Sir,
Copy
કેવી
the
રીતે?
following row.
Sir, તમને બતાવી દે. Having exercise 13.1, what we were doing, we were having line of symmetry like this.
Half
And the
we
shape
have
was given
to
like
half.
this, correct? We
Yes,
have to
sir.
complete the mirror shape like this. So we were
Yes.
શું કહું છું પેલા અહીંયા ધ્યાન દો બેટા. In exercise 13.1, what was the figure given? We were given like this. Draw the complete figure. We have to complete the other half. If the horizontal line is given like this, we were completing like this, the other half like this. In this case, they have given horizontal as well as vertical, both together. They have given horizontal and vertical both together. And they have given this kind of a shape of one side. And they have asked
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Regulate not stupid.
Can you hear me, बच्चे लोग?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zohar Abbas is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, so you understood this content. The four sides will be given, and there will be one shape given
Yes.
here to complete the other three shapes. You know, so you have to complete the other three shapes. Nothing else we have to do in this. Like this, you can complete it like this, right? You can complete it like this. समझ पड़ी गई શું કરવાનું છે બેટા?
Sir,
Boys,
your screen is not available.
is my screen presented to you all, beta?
Yes, sir.
Is it presented,
Yes,
boys?
sir.
Okay. So what we have to do is, for example, this is the shape given of one side, you have to fulfill the other side. So you have to do with the same thing, other four sides. Are you getting my point? What I did? So in the same case, we have to do with the same criteria. This is the four side given, we have to complete this design. So can I complete this design like this? So come to the answer column, you will come to know what we have to do in the following structures. So these are the line of symmetry given. We have to fulfill the design of one side is given, other three sides we have to fulfill. This is the structure of a vertical line of symmetry, it is given. The half shape is given like this. You have to complete the following other half shape. Got it? Then these are the two vertical line of symmetry. One shape was given. We have to complete the other three shapes like this. Then the line of symmetry, the line of symmetry. So the shape is given and we have to fulfill it. This can be done by your own. Any doubt with this sums? बच्चे लोग,
No. No,
this
sir.
shape is drawn here. You have to complete this shape for the other three sides. Got it? Chalo, last question of this exercise. Chalo, who will read this? Zuhair Abbas. Ke
Yes,
Mohammad Fasil.
Zohar.
हाँ बोल बेटा रीड कर.
In each figure below, a letter of alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given line. Find which letter look the same after reaction. Reflection.
Reflection means what? A mirror line છે બરાબર. A mirror line છે. If the alphabet A is written like this over here, તો એને mirror એટલે કાચમાં દેખાડો તો alphabet A will look same as alphabet A in the opposite side.
Yes.
Yes. તો આ તો same દેખાય છે. In the same case, if I say alphabet B, so alphabet B mirror માં કેવું દેખાશે? Like this. Is it same?
No.
No.
No. It is opposite. Understood?
Yes.
Same way, alphabet P લઈ લ્યો. For example, P. The alphabet P કેવો દેખાશે? Like this. So this is opposite.
Yes.
So we have to check the letters, that is which letters look the same in the image and which do not. કયું same દેખાય છે, કયું નથી દેખાતું? Can you guess why? Why? Because it is a mirror reflection. So try for, in the question it is asked, this many letters we have to try. આપણે બીજા ઘરના મૂકવાના નથી. Got it? O. So O is like this, and if it is in the mirror line, O will be the same position as it is. સમજાય છે?
Yes. Yes.
So O will be same. Same way for E, alphabet E, E will be like this.
Sir,
Are you getting? It is opposite reflection. Then letter M. M will be same reflection. M तो same देखाશે કે નહીં દેખાય?
ma'am.
દેખાય.
N will be opposite. N જે છે એ મિરર લાઈનમાં N કેવો દેખાશે? Like this. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
Are you getting the point or not, boys? So let us come to the answer column. You will be understanding the concept. Letter O, first letter was O. O is having same after reflection, looking same as after reflection. Can you see here? સમજાય છે
Yes,
બચ્ચા?
સમજાય છે.
સમજાય છે ને? Then alphabet E. E is having opposite, different after reflection, different shape after reflection, same after reflection. Barabar, M is looking same as after reflection. N is different after reflection. Barabar che? Then P is different after reflection. H is same after reflection. H same dekhase. Then L is different after reflection. Any doubt with this question,
Sir,
boys?
same.
Then T is same after reflection. Then S is different after reflection. V is same after reflection. X is same after reflection. Any doubt with this?
No.
With the help of this question, we have completed our chapter number 13. And with the help of exercise 13.3, we have completed our semester 1 portion in 6th E. Okay,
Yes, sir.
boys?
Yes,
And
sir.
all the 7 chapters are very important for your future. Okay?